Hi, my name is Alice. My team members are Chelsea and Rain, and for our Python project, we decided to do Hangman. For our game here, as soon as it starts, it'll ask what our name is, so I'll just put it in. So after that, it shows how many letters are in the word, and then here is like the letters that we can guess. And down here we can just guess our letter. So if I guess one. And if I guess a letter wrong, then in the output section, the hangman will just draw a body part of the hangman. So here it drew like the hangman head. So I can just like guess again. And if I guess a letter correctly, then it'll show up in the correct spot in the word. So then you just keep on guessing until you get the word correct.
So the first part of our code is basically the code for drawing the hangman itself. And it has like all these functions for the hangman's body parts. And the second part of the code is where the user inputs the guessing, and then the output is like the correct letters and stuff. So we have like a random list of words, and we have 10 guesses, and we use while loops and for loops and if else to determine if the guess is right or wrong. And at the end, we used the if and else if, and it basically is like it determines the number of turns you have left, and based on the number of turns you have left, it draws the hangman body part.
So one thing that we can improve in our game is, so for the aesthetics of the game, currently, all of the words are kind of clumped together. So I think between each guess, we can maybe add a space. So like from like this chunk that I'm highlighting here, the guess the letter, I think we can just like put an indent there, so it will be easier for the viewer to understand on what they're doing in the game. And then also we can add like more like sound effects, like maybe background music. So thank you for listening to our game presentation.